With the help of the heat gun, we apply 19 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. We introduce a metal opening tool. We use a ultra-thin plastic card to soften the adhesive. We remove the back cover. We release the screws from the top of the device. Very carefully, we remove the middle frame. First of all, we remove the battery flex to continue with the disassembly process. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. Here we have the loudspeaker. Here we have the connector of the screen. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. We lose the connector of the fingerprint sensor scanner Touch ID. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. We extract the SIM tray. We remove the SIM card reader. We have finished the disassembly process. We return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process. The device is working.